welcome everybody. Yeah, welcome. Uh, so recently I purchased a prop farm account from Equity Edge, 5k instant. This is my fourth prop farm to ever buy. Yeah, because you know, as a beginner trader, one of the biggest issues you have is capital. So capital has been solved by use of prop farm, prop farms. Now, this is going to be my fourth prop farm to get. I'm hoping it could be my first payout, successful payout. Right now, I have four challenges. I've had four challenges. Right now, I have three that are running. They're active. This is one of the three. This is what we shall be documenting. 555k and 2.5k. My very first was 2.5k. I'll be showing that on the screen. I failed it basically, so I'm giving this another try. So let's start with the dashboard, and we see what's going on with the dashboard here. So just to be sure, Equity Edge instant 5k. Looking at the leverage first, forex is 1 to 30, then for metals is 1 to 10, indices is 1 to 10, crypto is 1 to 2. Maximum daily loss is 3%. Yes. Meanwhile, for those who don't know, maybe asking yourself, 3% is so low. Yeah, for the instant challenges, one step challenges, the rules are quite tough, but we are going to look through it. It has a maximum daily loss of 3%, maximum trading loss of 5%, minimum trading days 7 days, profit target nothing. I'm gonna be explaining this profit target and trading loss in another video. It's not part of this series, but it will be dropping. Profit share 90%. For starting balance, we have 5k starting balance. Tradable assets, we have FX, that's forex, indices, metals, crypto, trading through news. Yes. Okay, so this trading through news, let me just throw some light on it. News trading. Okay, can I trade high impact stroke rate for the news? Yep, you can, but you can only trade through the news, not at the time of the news. So in this normal accounts, you have a 2-minute cap before the news and after the news. So 2 minutes before the news, you can't open a position. 2 minutes after the news, you can't still open on the normal challenges. But on the instant, it says you are allowed to hold trade during news events, but not over the weekend. However, you are not allowed to open or close a trade 8 minutes and 8 minutes after high impact news events. That means I'm given an 8-minute window on an instant. So for me, my advice to you is, if you don't have a trade running already before the news, don't try to come at now enter my position earlier. Trust me, it won't be worth it, because all the profit you make during the news time will just be what? Deducted, but the account won't be taken away. So if you're to trade the news, maybe you could trade the news on your personal account, but on this, unless the trade is already running, then we shall talk about consistency rule. We won't talk about this news trading again. Then this profit target. Want to talk all about that in the video that will drop. Okay guys, so this is how for me I lay out my trading plan. This is how I lay it out. I organize it like this: account rules, risk management, daily profit structure, my day-to-day growth schedule, my framework, my daily routine, my discipline rules. So we're gonna go through this one by one. But before we go through it, please guys, like, subscribe, comment. You know, it costs $0. Yeah. So my account rules are basically the account rules of a prop firm. Things like 5k starting capital, maximum daily loss of 3%, maximum trading loss of 5%, consistency rule 15%. Now this, check on my channel. I'm gonna be later releasing a video about the consistency rule. Yes, check for that like in 3 days. I'm expecting this video to be out in the next one day. I can't give you the date because what if you get caught up. Daily profit $60, then my profit target is $300 bi-weekly payouts expected. Risk management, the risk management part. I'm going to be risking 0.5, that's 25% of every trade I take. 0.5 to 0.75, that's $25 to $38. That will be my average risk on every setup. You know, like I would have just made it 1%, but 1% in these rules for trading this instant, you're not allowed to risk 1%. Yes, it's a tight challenge. Yes, that's why this challenge, I took this challenge on before even getting a payout. My very first payout, I've not yet gotten a payout from all the challenges I've tried, because it's very disciplining. It's only for the disciplined traders. So we're risking, this is a maximum daily risk, 75%, $75 to $100. Daily limit is 150. Remember, if we hit 115 losses, we have gone, we have failed the challenge. So max open trades, this, by the way, this is my what, my trading plan. I'm just reminding you again. Maximum open trades, maximum I'll have 2 trades at once. You get 2 trades at once. With a combined risk, I expect something less than 1.25% return. That's $62, because I have to maintain a consistency of making around $60. Below $60, if I go above $60, I'm way above the consistency rule of the challenge. So I won't be able to receive the payout. Since now risk to reward, I'm gonna be risking 1, so I'll be risking 0.5. For minimally it's going to be 1 to 2, so 0.5. My daily structure is going to be, my target per day is gonna be between $50 to $60. This helps stay within the consistency curve. I don't know that you get. Number of trades a day, setups, I can only have 1 to 3, and I have a stop trading rule. That means each day if I make a $60 profit, I close. If I make less, if I lose $100, I stop. Then my day-to-day growth plan, I have yes, the payout is in 14 days, that's 2 weeks. But for me, I broke it down. If I have a profit goal of $60, for me, my profit target is $300. So I give myself 5 days. 5 days. Day one, day two, day three. I would have been able to hit my what? My profit target, which is what? $300. But meanwhile, if I'm to hit this earlier than 2 weeks, I'm still like 300. 300 is just the minimum I should make, but not the maximum I should make. As long as I'm still maintaining my consistency of making $50 to $60 every day. So for me, I just gave myself a 5 day one, day two, day three, day four, day five. Hitting, I need 5 days out of the 14. I need five. I need 5 green days. That's like without mentioning the losses. Yes, if I'm to get 5 green days, I'm gone. I'm eligible. So this is how the framework is going to work for my trading strategy. I'm gonna be trading London and New York only pairs, gold, Euro USD, USD JPY, my roles, look for liquidity sweep. You get now. This is you can go through this if you want to. You can pause and go through this. Yes, how I approach my trading. You get. So daily routine, mark my zones, land and open, liquidity growth. This is just you get. So my discipline rules. These ones I'm gonna read them out to you. I'm gonna stick to risking $20, $25 to $38 per trade. I'm gonna be like I have to stop trading after I've hit my daily. If I hit my daily loss limit, $100, I have to stop. I have to trade only during planned sessions. Avoid revenge trading, and the key number one rule, we're focusing on consistency, not speed. All right. Yeah, if you stayed, thank you for watching. Now my next episode is going to be about the account progress to see whether we have hopes of making it to the payout. That will be week one. How week one went, wins and losses. All right, see you then. Please like and follow, subscribe.